Next, we are going to see how we can route tasks in parallel. So let's go ahead and create a workflow definition. Once the definition is open within the workflow designer, again, we're going to use a task step. I'm just going to move this to the middle of the screen. So let's go ahead and search for task and route to users. And in this case, I'm going to drop this particular step and then configure this step. So let's call this route to manager 1. And I'm going to do the same thing for the description also. Let's go ahead and select a user to route to. I'm going to select myself. Save that. And let's go ahead and save the properties of this step. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this step. And I'm going to call this route to manager 2. And save that. And in order to make them parallel, all you have to do is draw 2 lines. And at this point, once it executes the start step, it will execute both of these route to manager task steps, and both should appear in my task list at the same time. Let's go ahead and save our workflow definition, and let's go ahead and execute it. We're going to first create an instance and then say create and execute. Let's leave the workflow designer and look at our workflow instances. You will see that the workflow instance is in a status of sleeping. And if I say view render, you'll be able to see the graphical view. So you can see both tasks are now waiting, and you can see my task list has 2, route to manager 1 and route to manager 2. I'm going to go ahead and select one of these tasks and go ahead and complete it. And once I have completed, the other task will be still waiting. If I render it now, you can see that one is completed and the other one is waiting. I'm just going to go ahead and complete the route to manager 1 task. And now the workflow should be fully completed all the way through, since both tasks are completed.